Hey there, Money Masters. It's your girl, Izzy, back with another episode of Money Matters Made Easy. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's close to my heart and crucial for everyone to understand: financial literacy. Why does it matter? Well, let's get into it. Imagine you're in a kitchen, okay? You've got all these ingredients in front of you: flour, sugar, eggs, butter, and a recipe for a cake. Now, if you don't know how to read the recipe or understand how to mix these ingredients, you're not going to end up with a cake. You might end up with a mess, or worse, something inedible. Financial literacy is like knowing how to read that recipe and understanding how to use those ingredients. Just like in our kitchen scenario, in life, we have different financial ingredients. We have income, expenses, savings, investments, and debts. These are the basic components of our financial life. But if we don't understand how to manage these components, we might end up with a financial mess. Let's break it down further. Income is like our flour. It's the base of everything. Without flour, you can't make a cake. Without income, you can't finance your life. Expenses are like the eggs and butter. They're necessary, but if you use too much, your cake will be too rich and heavy. Similarly, if your expenses are too high, your financial life can become burdensome. Savings are like the sugar in our cake. It sweetens the deal. The more you save, the sweeter your financial future looks. But just like too much sugar can ruin a cake, too much savings without any investment can lead to financial stagnation. Investments are like the oven. They're where you put your mix of income, expenses, and savings to grow. Just like you need to understand the right temperature and time to bake your cake, you need to understand the risk and return of your investments to grow your wealth. Debt, on the other hand, is like a kitchen fire. If not managed properly, it can destroy everything. But if used wisely, like a controlled flame, it can help you cook up a great financial future. So why does financial literacy matter? Because it's the recipe that helps you understand how to use these financial ingredients to bake the cake of financial success. Without it, you're just throwing ingredients together and hoping for the best. Remember, folks, financial literacy isn't just about understanding money. It's about making informed decisions that can shape your life. It's about knowing how to read the recipe of financial success and having the confidence to bake your cake, your way. Before we wrap up, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us create more content like this. And that's it for today, Money Masters. Remember, financial literacy isn't just a skill, it's a lifestyle. So keep learning, keep growing, and let's make Money Matters easy together. Until next time, this is Izzy signing off. Stay financially savvy, folks.